Hey girls, I've got another unbelievable, see what I did there? Another unbelievable bee DIY to go along with our bee decor printables. So right here I am making some little honey sticks or honey, I'm not really even sure what you call them. Anyways, I got these little sticks off of Amazon. I will put in my blog post where I got them, as well as some little mini bee kind of charms, and I am using my hot glue to make it a faux honey look to them. Now my hot glue gun is super old, so my glue already looks kind of yellowy when it comes out, which is a good thing for me in this case. But there are some glue sticks that are kind of yellow in color or brown that I can direct you to as well. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bee skep, and I got the took a pot that I got from Dollar Tree, a plastic pot, and I'm just going to take some jute and use my glue gun to wrap the jute around the pot. Now just keep going around and around with your jute until you get all the way up to the top. Girls, be careful when you're doing this though, because you can hurt your fingers with glue sticks, but that's just kind of what happens. I probably don't even have any fingerprints now because of all the glue that I've burned my fingers with. What I did here was I took a second to make like a little loop, which you'll see here in just a second. You get all the way up to the top and then make like a little loop that's going to be the top part of your bee skep, and then go ahead and glue that in the center, and then keep going around and around with your jute until you get to the middle of the bee skep. Right, then I trimmed up the ends a little bit. The next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to make the front door to it. So I drew like a little bit of a house shape, and then I painted it in with some acrylic paint. And that does not have to be perfect, because the next step of this is to kind of frame that out with a piece of jute. And so I measured my jute with my eyes there, a little eyeball approach, and I put it on the side around the door, and then I took another piece to kind of frame that out even more, and then went in and painted it out a little bit more. Okay, so my last steps is to take some of those little mini bee charms and kind of add it along the bee skep to make it look like bees are coming out of the house. And then I took a little bit of buffalo plaid ribbon and made a little bow that I hot glued to the top of the bee skep, and voila, we have a little bee skep that is going to look really nice in our tiered tray, plus the little honey pot stirrers, and it's going to look super nice. Now I've been making all these DIYs to go along with our bee printable decor set that we recently released. Girls, be sure to head over to the website to check out all of our printable decor. Now we've made it all the way to the end. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos.